Did you know that by 2025, the number of people earning a significant income online is expected to double? Have you ever wondered if you could make real money using just the phone in your pocket? Stick around because I'm about to show you how. Today, I'm taking on a challenge to make $100 online using only my smartphone. In our super connected world, this isn't just a gimmick, it's a real possibility. You don't need a fancy computer or special skills, just the device you're probably watching this on right now. I get it. The whole make money online thing can feel overwhelming. You see all these opportunities, but where do you even start? Maybe you think you're not tech savvy enough, or you're worried about scams. It's easy to feel lost in the noise and just give up before you even begin. A lot of people believe you need a huge investment or some secret knowledge, but that's just not true. The biggest hurdles are often just finding a legit path and staying consistent. You might not hit $100 on your first day, but with a bit of patience and the right strategy, it's totally achievable. It's all about finding what works for you and putting in some focused effort. So, how can you actually do it in 2025? There are tons of ways. Apps like Swagbucks will literally pay you to take surveys, watch videos, and shop online. If you have a skill, even a simple one, you can offer it on Fiverr, where tasks can start from just $5. Got a creative side? Platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts can help you monetize your content once you build a small following. You could also try selling things you no longer need on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Even your grocery shopping can earn you money with cashback apps like Ibotta or Fetch Rewards. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but they are solid ways to build up some extra cash. Let me tell you about a friend of mine. She started selling photos she took on her smartphone to stock image websites. She didn't have any professional photography training, just a good eye for a nice shot. She started taking pictures of everyday things, flowers in her garden, city skylines, her cat. She used free editing apps on her phone to make them pop and then uploaded them. At first, it was just a few sales here and there. But she kept at it. Her portfolio grew, and soon enough, she was consistently making over $100 a month just from her phone pictures. It's a perfect example of how turning a simple hobby into a side hustle can really pay off. So, to wrap it up, earning $100 online with just your smartphone is absolutely possible. We've talked about the common struggles, some great apps and platforms to get you started, and a real-life success story to show you it can be done. What are your thoughts? Have you ever tried to make money with your phone? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. And if you want more tips, be sure to check out my other video on online income streams. Thanks for watching.